Hold on. The train is approaching Terminal B.
Por favor, suban a la Terminal B.
Please hold on. The train is
Here, ladies and gentlemen, Air New Zealand.
Happy anniversary to us.
1 year down, many more to go.
Well, kinda. We're almost at 1 year, but we got something special for y'all. We are going on, I guess, my first cruise. And we're gonna take y'all. Freedom of the Seas, Royal Caribbean. We are headed to Fort Lauderdale right now. And we'll be sailing out of Miami. Y'all stay tuned for this whole video. We got, like I said, the whole month is nothing but festivities for our anniversary. We got plenty planned on the ship. We going to the Bahamas. We about to do all of that. So drop us a like, drop us a comment. Happy anniversary, 1 year. We appreciate y'all anniversary with us. If y'all haven't watched our wedding videos, go watch those, all our wedding series, all that. How you feeling about the cruise?
I'm excited. I cannot wait. Ooh, I can't wait to get this tan, y'all.
Yeah, she's apricot. Oh no, she called it peach. Yeah, but yeah, we headed to Fort Lauderdale. We're gonna be, look, watch the video. That's all I got to say. It's a lot planned, and once we get off the cruise, it's more to come. We're gonna be in Florida for a minute, so watch the video. What day I know? Our flight attendant is Jamaican.
Of course.
She going to hook us up too. I'm kind of sleepy. You can't tell, my eyes kind of red. But we got work to do, and we got places to be, and we got to turn up when we get there. But we up early in the morning, so see y'all on the cruise, or on the way to the cruise. Alright y'all, we just touched down in Fort Lauderdale. It was not a bad flight, to be honest with you. Another great flight attendant. Straight hookup. Yo, hook up. Every time. Anyway, like I said, we made it. It's tired. It's like 2 something in the morning right now because the flight was delayed twice. But we will see you at the boarding process. How are you feeling, Jazz?
I am extremely tired and excited at the same time because I'm ready for tomorrow.
Alright guys, we just made it to my cousin's house. It is
It's late.
3:40 in the morning, and we about to go knock on the door. We gonna stay here until it's time to go to the cruise in the morning. But let's go sneak up on Simone. Let's see what she's doing. She's a night owl, so you about to see. Hey. Mind you, it's 3:40 in the morning. Whisper, whisper. All right. She wants us to video going in the room. Is somebody gonna jump out?
Oh, yeah.
What's going on here? Oh! I want this! Dang! Yo, special treatment like crazy in here. Airbnb. Dang. Hey, drop a like button for Simone. Tell her thank you. We love you.
Thank you so much.
Special. And drop a like for Zane too.
Oh my God.
Hey, Zona, you really tall. I had to put it in wide frame just to be able to keep you on the screen. Hold on, y'all eating it in the car?
We're eating when we get back.
Oh, okay. All right, guys, tastes right. First time it tastes right. Well, and that's not even a patty. It tastes right. Yo, I haven't even. Look,
I just really wanted Aki.
Zona, you want to try a piece?
What is that?
You probably tuned in through your phone. You exactly where you belong. I was on the ride, we can roll, and I love when you put that on. It's the life of the Crooks. Yeah. This for Nick and Jasmine if you're asking. The life of the Crooks. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe, you know why. It's the life of the Crooks.
Guys, officially on the boat. The check-in process was extremely smooth. Everybody's so nice, I can't lie, like shockingly nice. Right now we're headed to the muster station so that you know where to go in case of an emergency. But like right now, I'm talking about everybody's so nice. It's breezy. How you feel, Jazz?
I feel good. I'm excited. I'm happy to be on the ship finally.
All right, muster time. Muster! All right, guys, I'm on the boat officially in a room, and I just took me one of these Dramamine. Apparently, I need to take this just in case. I don't want to take no chances. This is my first cruise, so I'm not taking no chances. Took one. I'll put a link in the description. This one's non-drowsy. Anyway, make sure you go get you some of this. Jasmine is getting herself ready and freshened up because it was pretty hot out here. I'm excited. We are still at the port, so this is outside our room right now. You can still see the building. I imagine in the morning or maybe this evening, it's not gonna be nothing but water. So anyway, I think we're supposed to watch a safety video on the TV or something like that, but happy anniversary to us. Drop a like for us. Again, this is our wedding anniversary series. So like I said, we got a lot planned on our embarkation day today, so stick with us. Also, check out our cruise essentials. It's gonna be in the link below in our Amazon storefront. Go check it out if you're going on a cruise soon, or if you're planning on going on one, go check out our storefront. It has all of our essential items. All right, y'all. So, word of advice. Before you get your cruise, before you get on, make sure you get whatever packages you'll get within 72 hours of getting on. We did do some, so we ain't stupid, but we didn't do all of it. So either way, make sure you get whatever you're gonna get at least 72 hours ahead, so you don't end up having to wait in line to get services. And then the other thing is drink package. They say get it early, and it did have discounts, but basic, you can buy one, get one 60% off on the ship the first day. Don't tell nobody I told you. Yo, I got the surprise. My phone's about to die, but I'm about to tell Jazz my phone's about to die so we can go back to the room where the decoration is supposed to be at. So we gonna see what the decorations look like.
Our anniversary cruise has officially kicked off, y'all. I'm so excited. My first drink in months. Months. We are on the Freedom of the Seas. I'm just really excited. I'm ready to get this tan because the girl's looking a little pale. But I can't wait to show y'all what we're gonna do, and we're gonna have some fun.
Alright guys, moment of truth. We're walking back to the room. Jasmine's ahead of me. So, I guess you'll get to see what the anniversary package decoration look like to see if you want to do it too. But we're about to go to the room now.
So cute.
That's not all. Oh, and that's all your stuff too.
I know.
Look at that, they did all of it.
So cute.
All right, now to go inside.
I know. How fast are they really gonna do whatever?
Right. Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you too. Thank you.
Yeah.
Now wait till you see what's inside.
Is it done?
Yeah, yeah, really did a great job. And our guy down
Oh
there too.
goodness.
Hey!
Oh wow.
Hey! Hey, look right here.
Oh, look how cute.
Look, dear guest, take this hanging photo cable. Enjoy your photographs, memos, and all of that.
Aww.
Decorations. They didn't do. Oh,
day and always. Oh, look at that.
Yep,
We have a
get
picture frame.
picture frame. They didn't do the swan on the bed, but it's all good.
Probably because we had all other stuff on there already.
1 year down, forever to go.
So cute.
Happy anniversary.
Aw, thanks, babe. You
You're
did this
welcome.
for me.
And shout out to Yao Yao. Yeah, she definitely did that because they were not supposed to, and it was definitely a rush. I called ahead of time and did all of that, and they was just like, oh, you know, da, 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 da. Maybe by day 2. Yao Yao made it happen. Shout out to you. 5 stars.
Let me tell y'all something about a jewelry girl like me. Make sure you fellas out there watching, get your girl a travel ring.
Better
Check
preach.
this out.
I got
This
that.
ring is a dupe of my actual real diamond ring. This is a ring from Amazon. Pretty much identical. And
It's
the
actually
reason why
bigger.
you want to get it, it is a little bit bigger, but not that much bigger.
that
It's
thing's
almost
bigger.
identical. It's almost literally identical. But the reason why you want to get something like this is because traveling, you don't want to lose your jewelry or break it or damage it or anything like
Or
that.
get
And
robbed.
or get robbed. And I've already gotten so many compliments like, oh my God, your ring, your ring, your ring.
I totally forgot
This
that
is
she
it.
even didn't have it. I was like, yeah, I did
This
that.
is not the real one.
Yeah.
This
and
isn't the
I
real
actually bought
one.
this before the real one. Look, hold on. I actually here, show them from the side. I
Little
actually
hidden
bought that.
halo
I bought this
underneath there.
before, and it was probably like $20-$30. So yeah, get your girl a travel ring,
Yes.
but don't do that for the wedding.
Easy.
All right, we about to go see what's popping. They got golf on here, miniature golf. Seen the basketball courts already. Might have to take that up. Excited!
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my assistant. When she speak, I hear.
That is crazy. Walk back in the room, and we talking about Ocean Wave, the dance from the wedding. That made me feel like off the equilibrium.
You're funny.
Like, wait, look at that, yo. Ocean out the window. Woo wee. All right, y'all. So we're waiting in the room right now for Jasmine to get ready, and we're gonna go head to dinner. But so far, so good. I guess some of the things that I would point out is there's one outlet in the whole room, so you gotta definitely get you a cruise plug, a cruise approved plug. Maybe this is news to you, maybe it's not. If it's not, the link is in the description. Check the Amazon store. But there's only one plug. Pizza's not that good. I don't know why people hype that up. Shower and bathroom is really small, but I don't think it's that bad, to be honest with you. And we have a room with this ocean view or whatever, and that's actually not that. It's not as small as people make it seem either. Like I've been in. I'd say it's, you know, maybe it's smaller than a hotel room, but it's not that bad. Like, it's not as cramped as I thought. Now, maybe if you had 3 or 4 people in a room, then yeah, it might be small. But ocean view at least is not that bad. But one fortunate thing is I don't think there's a whole lot of people on this ship. There's people definitely, obviously, but it's not bumper to bumper, you walking and bumping into people. I feel like already day one, we've seen the same people multiple times. I can even tell when people change their clothes at this point. So far, so good. About to go to dinner for the first time. Take you with us so you can see the food. Other than that, we're going to see what the rest of the night holds. All right. do you
I
eat?
think I'm gonna have some shrimp cocktail. I'm gonna do the prime rib, and I think I'm going to also do the spinach and artichoke dip as well.
Turn up.
All right, Nate, what you having for dinner?
I think, well, I don't really know. I think what I'm gonna do is go for the shrimp cocktail for the appetizer, artesian cheese plate for the dessert, and maybe try the steaks, maybe some grilled chicken for dinner. I don't know yet. It's a wild menu. Wow. But I know I'm gonna drink some of this water though, because I gotta hydrate. Yeah, no potatoes, 8 pieces today, so cut the carbs out, but I got asparagus and extra vegetables.
Oh,
It smells good. Probably gonna put a little black pepper on there though.
All right,
A little vegetable.
and look at mine, y'all. I have prime rib, little gravy on there. Can't wait to dig in.
You know I don't eat sweets. If you know me, you've been watching this channel, you know I don't eat sweets. But look, bro. Both of our waiters are from the Philippines and the assistant waiters from the Philippines, and they just fell in love with us now. Look at this. Look at our table. Look at this. Why? 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 Sugar rush and all. He said it's on me. How's everything? Service is phenomenal. I'm gonna have to give the food like a 6.
I don't even like chocolate ice cream, but this is good.
Oh, that's the Napoleon. I ain't gonna lie though, I'm gonna have to get the food like a 6, but the service has been phenomenal. Yeah. He even brought me cheesecake. I don't even eat cheesecake. Like, I mean, I love it, but it's good. All right, y'all, I'm about to dig in.
Boston cream pie. Pause.
She hit him with the pause, finally. That's for you, Mitch. Alright guys, we finished dinner. We are gonna go on my first club. I don't know, club something. We're walking to
Club
the party.
Olive and Twist.
Yeah, we going, we you know, we about to go turn up, I think, maybe.
Possibly. We'll see
Yeah.
what kind of music they playing in here.
I never been to no cruise party,
club?
but I heard they be live, so we gonna see. Or I mean, I heard there'd be something. So we gonna see, but we headed up there right now, so we gonna take y'all with us, and then we gonna wrap it up for the rest of the video. So if you want to see what the club is like, come with us. So yeah, it's lit. Okay. Hey, one time for Guyana. Pick it up. Yo, big man thing. Pick it up. Go on.
Justice for Adriana Young.
Yes. Drop it to the flow, I love the way that we go. Run it!
Go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the toys out, I'm a mind that you talk, I put my life into my job and I know
Make sure you subscribe, you know why. It's the life of the Crooks. Yeah, sensation when we on vacation. You see the drip, we had to make a statement. Put a ring on it with no hesitation. This what you get when you mix a Creole with Jamaican. Still in your heart what I love, you cannot deny. I know you tired, keep your eyes on the prize. Leave a comment every time we